Hello my friends and welcome to the channel. Okay, English phrasal verbs. Here we're gonna improve your understanding and knowledge of phrasal verbs, and today we'll work with the phrasal verb act for. We'll see more examples and of course we'll see definitions of this phrasal verb. Let's go. Okay, I hope you know the verb act. It's connected with the action, but act for has different meaning. Act for something. What does it mean? If someone, especially a lawyer or an attorney, for example, acts for you, you employ them to deal with something for you or speak for you in a court of law. So act for something is mostly used when we talk about law, court, some legal items, okay? And it is similar to represent. They have the same meaning. Now let's see the examples. Lawyers acting for ex-smokers are suing the big tobacco companies for billions of dollars. We have lawyers who represent their clients. Their clients are ex-smokers. They act for their clients in the process against companies. Maybe these ex-smokers had some health troubles, we don't know that, but so act for works the same way as represent. Next example, the buyer of the painting said he was acting for an American client who wished to remain anonymous. So we see that there is a buyer and his client. We don't know the name of this client. We can't see this person. And we know that the buyer works as a representative of this anonymous person. He acts for this person. But, for example, he buys the painting and we clearly understand that this buyer, he doesn't want this painting for himself. He buys it for his client. He represents this person, he acts for this person. So let us act for the sake of all humanity. Let's do it. Let's act for the sake of the humanity. And in our actions, we'll try to represent it. Okay, now let's read our examples again. Lawyers acting for ex-smokers are suing the big tobacco companies for billions of dollars. The buyer of the painting said he was acting for an American client who wished to remain anonymous. So let us act for the sake of all humanity. Great, let's go next. And here is the end of our definitions. We've got only one definition, but I prepared for you two dialogues. Let's read the first one. What are you going to do now? Actually, I don't know. I just need a lawyer to act for me. Oh, that's a clever idea. So maybe I have some situation connected with legal problems and I need a lawyer to represent me, to act for me in court. And the second dialogue. Hey, why are you acting for our enemies? I'm not acting for anyone. I'm acting only for myself. So I don't represent these enemies. Of course not. I'm not acting for them. I hope that's clear. Now let's read this dialogue, but we'll work together. I read for the first person, you read for the second person. Let's do it. What are you going to do now? Oh, that's a clever idea. Okay, great. Now let's change the roles. You start, please. Actually, I don't know. I just need a lawyer to act for me. Awesome. Great. I hope you worked with me. That's, by the way, very important that you open your mouth and speak. That's one of the ways how to improve your speaking, your English speaking, right? Now let's work the same way with the second dialogue. I read the first part, you read the second. Hey, why are you acting for our enemies? Awesome, let's change. You start, please. I'm not acting for anyone. I'm acting only for myself. Okay, now you will see a piece from a movie, Lawrence the Arabian, and you will see only this part of phrase, and you will also listen to 2 examples. Solicitor is one of the names of a lawyer in Great Britain, if you don't know. Okay?
At the Arab Council, acting for Prince Faisal.
Mackin, a solicitor, is acting for the young people in their case against the country council.
I am acting on behalf of the bank.
Okay, now let's read all the examples again, but we'll do it quickly. Lawyers acting for ex-smokers are suing the big tobacco companies for billions of dollars. The buyer of the painting said he was acting for an American client who wished to remain anonymous. So let us act for the sake of all humanity. What are you going to do now? Actually, I don't know. I just need a lawyer to act for me. Oh, that's a clever idea. And one more dialogue. Hey, why are you acting for our enemies? I'm not acting for anyone. I'm acting only for myself. We here are Arabs of the Arab Council acting for Prince Faisal. McKean, a solicitor, is acting for the young people in their case against the county council. I'm acting on behalf of the bank. Okay, my friends, here is the end of the lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and get more videos on the topic phrasal verbs. See you next time. My name is Ellen. Wish you all the best in your studies and hope that your phrasal verbs are gonna improve very quickly. Bye-bye.